This is how we form the long U sound. When E is found at the very end of a word, the vowel here becomes a long vowel sound. So this one is U. When they are together, U and E make the sound U.
Here are words with U and E vowels. Again, if you see letter E at the end of a word and there's letter U before it, you make the long U sound, like in the words June, June. Cube, cube. Flute, flute. We also have words with UE beside each other. Again, you make the long U sound, like in the words glue, glue, clue, clue, blue, blue, statue, statue.